I'm going to prepare a North Indian Punjabi Pakoda Kadhi, and it is made with chickpea flour, and the base will be the yogurt gravy, and it could be prepared during any festivals or any occasions or any time of the year. You can just enjoy this, and it is very tasty. For the pakoda, I'm going to use 1 cup of chickpea flour using a plain yogurt over here. This is homemade. I'll soon upload the recipe for this. Here I'm going to use green chili garlic ginger paste. I have already uploaded the recipe for this. 1 medium-sized tomatoes, fenugreek leaves, this is called kasuri methi, and 1 bay leaf, salt to taste, onions, cilantro, hing, that's called asafoetida, little bit of red chilli, coriander and cumin seed powder, turmeric powder, mustard seed, fenugreek seed, and cumin seed over here. And then I'm going to use some ghee, the clarified butter, and oil. Let's go prepare them. I'm going to add all the ingredients in the description box too. You can always check it out. Press the red subscribe button, should turn gray. Press the bell icon, select all. Let's prepare the pakoda first. I'm using 1 cup of chickpea flour. In that, I'm going to put a little bit of turmeric powder, a little bit of coriander and cumin seed powder, around 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, a little bit of cilantro, I'm going to put a little bit of kasuri methi. I'll crush it with my palm here, and I'll just put them. Around 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic chili paste. Around 2 teaspoons of yogurt. Here I have around 1 teaspoon of coriander seeds, the whole coriander seeds. I'm going to roughly crush them using my mortar pestle here. So it's ready here, so I'm going to just use half a teaspoon of it. And now I'm going to use my hands and mix everything together. I'm putting a little bit of onions too, and again I'm going to mix it. And now I'm going to add little water at a time. I don't want my batter to be too runny. I have used only onions here. You can always use grated carrots, spinach according to your taste, and you can adjust the spices also according to your taste here. I'm going to add a little bit of more water. I haven't used any baking powder or baking soda here, but this doesn't need any baking powder or soda. It will taste amazing. It will come out so good. The batter is ready here. The batter consistency should be, at least you could hold the batter and it should be dropped like this. It should not be too runny. You should be able to hold the batter like this. So now let's go fry them. Oil is ready, so I'm going to carefully drop the batter into the oil here. I'm going to drop little at a time and cook it over medium heat. The fritters are ready now, so I'm going to take it over this napkin here. So the excess oil is soaked in this napkin. I'm going to prepare the yogurt gravy now. For the yogurt gravy, I have used 1 cup of yogurt, and to that 1 cup of yogurt, I'm going to use 1/3 of the chickpea flour. I'm going to add that, and I'm going to add 1 cup of water here for now, and then I'm going to use the hand blender and I'm going to blend this so it blends properly. Earlier I have used 1 cup of water, so I'm going to put 1 more, and total of 4 cups of water I'm going to put for now. For that, the consistency should be very runny. So now let's prepare the curry, the yogurt gravy. I'm using 1 teaspoon of ghee first. And also I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of the oil from the fried fritters over here. Around 1 teaspoon of mustard seed, 1 teaspoon of cumin seed, 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seed, 1 bay leaf, 1/2 teaspoon of asafoetida hing, let the mustard seed crackle for a little while. Now add the rest of the onions here. I'm using 1 onion. Give it a quick mix. I see the onions has been a little bit brown, so now I have sauteed it almost for 2 to 3 minutes now. So now I'm going to add around 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic chili paste and let it cook further till the raw smell goes away. The ginger garlic green chili is cooked now, so I'm going to add the crushed coriander seeds here, around 1/2 teaspoon. At this stage, I'm going to add tomatoes, salt to taste, one teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander and cumin seed powder, a little bit of red chili powder. Give it a stir. I mixed everything together. Now I'm going to add the yogurt gravy here. And let it come to a boil now. You don't have to cook the tomatoes in the beginning, but it will just cook while the yogurt gravy is boiling. The curry is boiling now. I have always stirred it in between, because whenever you use any yogurt based gravy, you have to stir every time. So now it's boiling, so I'm going to add all these pakodas, the fritters, in this curry now. So I'm going to just press and just break these pakodas a little bit at the end, so the yogurt gravy becomes a little thicker, and boil it for 1 or 2 minutes. Now at the end, I'm going to crush the kasuri methi, the fenugreek leaves, the dried one, between my palms, and I'm going to put it here. This gives a very buttery taste. The aroma is so wonderful. And now I'm going to put some cilantro and let it sit for at least 10 minutes and it will be ready to serve. The curry pakoda is ready to serve. Look, it has been sitting for at least 10 minutes. Look at the consistency, it has become thicker now. So if it's more thicker, you can always adjust with the water. And now it's ready to serve, so I'm going to put them in the serving bowl here and garnish it with a little bit of cilantro and ghee. And some cilantro. I'm going to enjoy the pakoda curry with some rice, fulka roti, papad, and some salad over here. If you enjoyed watching today's video, then please do like, share, and if you're new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my uploads. Thank you for watching. See you soon with another great recipe. Bye.